Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate the DirecTV Stream app on your smart TV, follow these simple instructions. Step 1. Turn on your smart TV and navigate to the App Store or Channel Store depending on your TV brand. Step 2. Search for DirecTV Stream in the App Store and select the official app from the results. Step 3. Download and install the DirecTV Stream app on your smart TV. Step 4. Open the DirecTV Stream app once the installation is complete. Step 5. On the welcome screen, select Sign In or Activate your device. Step 6. An activation code will appear on your TV screen. Keep this code visible. Step 7. On your smartphone, tablet, or computer, open a web browser and go to directv.com, stream, activate. Step 8. Enter the activation code shown on your TV into the field on the website. Then log in with your DirecTV Stream account credentials. If you don't have an account, sign up for a subscription. Once the code is verified, your smart TV will refresh and DirecTV Stream will be activated. You can now watch live TV, sports, and on-demand content on your TV. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.